farms, some people breed special dogs and sell them at very exorbitant rates to pet lovers. They also provide trained dogs to the police and for blind people. Some people breed horses, especially race horses and polo ponies. These also fetch a very high price when they are sold. These horses are housed in very fine stables and in excellent conditions. Some horse trainers run riding schools. But horse riding is not as popular in India as it is in the West because it is very expensive. Some fortune tellers use parrots to predict the future of gullible people. Animals used in biomedical research. Guinea pigs, rabbits, mice, and monkeys are used in scientific research. According to research done by animal activists, more than 30 million animals are killed throughout the world each year in painful experiments done in laboratories. Organizations like PETA strongly oppose this practice. They feel it is a form of cruelty to animals. More animals that give. The venom of certain animals is used to treat some diseases. Bee venom is used to treat arthritis. Doctors use the venom of Malayan pit viper to treat certain types of heart ailments. The hair of a horse's tail is used in the bow of the violin. Catgut is used in some of the strings of the violin. Catgut is obtained from the intestines of sheep and goats and not from cats. Earlier, catgut was used to string tennis and badminton rackets. But now, nylon and other synthetic materials are used. Surgeons used to stitch up wounds using catgut. Now they use synthetic materials. Man has been using animals for different purposes right from the beginning. Many use animals even to earn money. Even then, some keepers ill-treat their animals, and many animals are killed for research. Organizations like PETA are working to improve the conditions of animals in society. Let us pledge to treat these animals who give us so much better.